2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Experience the difference with these exceptional built-in comfort and convenience features. Automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat. Call us, we'll help you take home your favorite vehicle.